I made over $700 selling puts on 2 trades. Palantir and Nvidia. But this could have gone very wrong. Most people think selling options is risky. And they're right, if you don't understand what you're doing. Let me show you exactly what I did. The first trade was Palantir. I sold a put at $110 when the stock was trading around $130. I collected about $300 in premium. The second trade was Nvidia. I sold a put at $155 and collected over $400. Same strategy, just applied to a different stock. Now this is important. This is not luck. This is a repeatable system. Here's the part most people ignore. If the stock drops below your strike price, you are forced to buy 100 shares. That is the risk. One bad trade, and you could be committing thousands of dollars. So why would I do this? Because I don't mind owning these stocks at those prices. That changes everything. This is not trading. This is getting paid to wait for stocks you already want to own. Now here's why this worked. Markets were volatile. There was fear in the market. And fear increases option premiums. So I stayed conservative and still got paid well. I typically use a delta of around 10 to 15. This gives me a buffer between the current price and my strike. Most people go higher, around 30 delta. That is more aggressive. You don't need that. Especially if you are above 40. At this stage, protecting capital matters just as much as growing it. Now here's how I manage the trade. I don't rush to close early. I let time work in my favor. I usually wait until I capture at least 80% of the premium, then I decide what to do next. If you're going to do this, follow these 3 rules. Only choose companies you're happy to own at the strike price. 2. Always have enough cash to buy 100 shares if assigned and never do this on impulse. 3. Size your risk properly first. If you're above 40, this approach matters even more. You don't need high-risk strategies. You need consistency, discipline, and a system. If you're new to this, I've put a link in the description that explains how to sell cash-secured puts step by step. This is not luck. This is repeatable. Focus on strong companies, stay conservative, and let probabilities work over time. This is not financial advice. Make sure you understand the risks. I'll be sharing more real trades like this, so you can see exactly how this plays out over time.